What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making that smoked prime rib. Ha! Stay tuned. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started on this prime rib. So I got this from Publix. It already came cut. As you can see, got the bone right here. I'm gonna vacuum seal this, put this in the freezer. I'm gonna use this for something else in the future. So we're just gonna focus on all this meat right here. So what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna take some W sauce, as you can see. We're gonna use that as a binder. Also gonna be covering it with this Longhorn brisket seasoning. And I'm gonna put some of this black tan on there. So let's go ahead, cover this up with that W sauce. All right, after you have it covered, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this black tan on there. Start with the bottom. All right, we're gonna come back with that Thunder and Longhorn. All right, that's what it looks like after you get it covered. Got that prime rib fully covered. We got our smoker sitting at 250 degrees. We're gonna let this thing sit out for about 10 minutes. Let them seasonings soak in. We're gonna put it on the smoker. Catch you in a minute. All right, the smoker is sitting at 250 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and place it right on the smoker. I got my probe. Gonna stick it in the thickest part of the meat. We're looking for 125 degrees. Catch you in a minute. All right, you guys, the probe is going off. We sitting at 124. I'm gonna go ahead and take this prime roast out, wrap it up for about 25 minutes. Then it's gonna be time to cut it open. Catch you in a minute. And there you have it. Smoked prime rib right off of that pellet smoker. Got that W sauce on there. Got those seasonings from Fire and Smoke. Gotta check those guys out. Take a look at that. Man, that's exactly how I like it. Medium rare, baby. Look at them seasonings on the side of that thing. Man, it don't get no better than this. Woo! You just gonna have to try it for yourself. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. This is the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. Hey, it's time to eat.